Congratulations on your purchase of the baseboard bumper. The following instructions will guide you through the easy installation of the bumpers onto your housekeeping carts. Your bumper installation kit includes 4 bumpers, 1 PVC pipe, 4 screws, and 4 nuts and washers. You will need the following tools: pen or marker, PVC pipe cutter, Phillips screwdriver, shank nut driver, and power drill. First, measure the uncut PVC pipe against the upward extended edge of the top of the housekeeping cart base and mark the height with a pen or marker. Cut the PVC pipe at the marked line using your PVC pipe cutter. The cut PVC will be used as spacers to support each bumper when installed at the corner. Position the bumper upside down in the corner of the cart. Using the pre-drilled holes in the bumper, drill holes through the cart base. Drill a third hole through the corner of the bumper and cart. Most carts have a pre-drilled hole in the corner of the cart with a spacer built into the underside. Use the base hole as a guide. Align a spacer below each of the holes drilled into the cart base, and then with the pre-drilled holes in the bumper. Using the hardware provided, attach the bumper in the corners of the cart. Make sure to use a washer on top of the bumper and the bottom of the cart. Repeat these steps for the other corners of the cart base.